1850 Casa Verde Drive. Okay. Okay. I think they painted this door they shut it before it dried, so it's a little hard to open. It looks like it's freshly painted. Carpet looks new. Tile does not look new, but the condition is fine. The vinyl blinds, from what I've seen so far, look fine. The solar screens on the outside probably protected them if they're not new. Just a guess. Everything looks fine. I like that. The vinyl blinds look fine. They look good. Ouch. Carpet looks good over here too. Ooh, that's not creepy at all. Okay. Everything looks good. Still looking good. Looking good. Cabinets have a tiny bit of wear, but small enough that it's a Jenny's call. It's always a Jenny's call, but it doesn't look serious. Looks good. There. Oh, okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay.